So again, Gerald Fitz opened this discussion regarding uranium stocks in our Discord. So I want to look at his comments in our Discord so you can directly go to that discussion via the link in our notes. Again, just a reminder, our Discord is free to join. You can get access to all the other channels with the exception of those under our patrons category, which will only show up to you if you're a member of our Patreon, but we have all kinds of channels on different asset classes, trading styles, etc., tips on trading platforms, etc. So we'd love to have you join our Discord, actively participate. You can get trade ideas, share tips and lessons learned with your fellow traders, and help you make money trading. And thank you again, Gerald, for starting this discussion on uranium and nuclear stocks. So he pointed out that yesterday he mentioned NNE, a recent IPO, nuclear energy stocks. We'll take a look at that a little bit. I did look at that yesterday briefly after you mentioned it. Gerald, again, thank you for starting this discussion. So he also mentioned the recent uranium ban. So they banned Russian uranium, releases $2.7 billion in funding. So he asked about NNE and the whole uranium sector. So I wanted to open up this article that he also shared. Thank you again for sharing this article. You can access this via the link in our Discord. So they're talking about this World Nuclear Association Net Zero Nuclear Initiative. So let me see again. You can read this in more detail via the link in our notes. But we can see a group of companies and are looking to increase investment in clean nuclear energy by 2050. So here's UEC, Uranium Energy Corp, another one that we've watched over time. So again, support global efforts to triple nuclear energy capacity by 2050. 128 companies, 20 countries from 4 continents. So again, this is a global initiative to triple the output of nuclear energy capacity by 2050. UN framework, etc. They also talk about a variety of NNE's capabilities. So there's this Halio, which is low enrichment, so high assay, low enrichment uranium fuel. So again, with the Russian uranium import, releases $2.72 in federal funding to expand U.S. uranium industry. Here's NNE, nuclear technology. They have a solid core battery reactor, advanced fuel transportation. And then they also have essentially a mining initiative as well. So some vertical integration. So again, thank you for sharing that, Gerald. Again, a lot of good information in there. You can read that in more detail via the link in our Discord. So let's look at the chart for NNE. So if I go back to FinViz, again, a very recent IPO. We just heard, what NNE does. So you can see, it IPO dropped, bounced pretty quickly. Again, we don't have a lot of information. Looks like they only issued 15 million shares. They've got 28, so possibly additional offerings, not optionable yet. Again, we can't really tell. We don't have a lot of information on their financials. They've been losing money. So again, recent IPO, new technology and losing money. So again, I'm not real hip on jumping into new IPOs till we get some history. We don't really know where the bottom is. We don't know what the range is. I love the technology. Just to babble for a second, I hopefully won't bore you all too much, but just an FYI, I might have mentioned this before, since like fourth grade till the middle of my undergraduate degree, I was going to be a nuclear physicist. And then when the funding dried up back in that time, it became politically incorrect to go into anything nuclear. I had to switch my specialty. But again, I was always going to be a nuclear physicist, and then had to change. Probably should have gone into rocket science at that point in time. But at that time, I was very interested in liquid metal fast breeder reactors. So I haven't kept up with it, so I don't know exactly how their technology is potentially similar. I know they're doing portable nuclear reactors. So again, I like the technology, and if you would like, if you want to get a small position, hold this for a long time, that might be a decent investment. May or may not work out. Again, there's a lot of hurdles to get over in terms of regulation. Again, still relatively politically incorrect in the U.S., although the need for it is, I'm hearing more discussion of it. So as we'll see, Gerald also pointed out that the uranium stocks have popped up recently. So they're all kind of up. Again, probably got a pop on that Russian ban. So I'll also very quickly show you which uranium stocks we look at, and how to quickly look at those uranium stocks. Also, we've done a number of videos on uranium stocks in the past, so I also posted those both in our Discord as well as in the notes of our document. So we've gone over a number of these stocks before. We've done some deeper dives into UEC. There's also a couple ETFs that you can use to trade uranium and nuclear energy. Again, in our ETFs Google sheet, you can find, I'll just open that quickly and we'll look at the uranium category. So if you then scroll down, you find uranium. So we've got a number of them: URA, URNM, and then URNJ is uranium miners. You can also find that in nukes. In the research tab, so do a find for nukes. Again, here's some uraniums. So we've got both of those nukes, uranium and nuclear energy. So you can see both NLR and nukes and their current risk-reward profiles. Also in the research tab in our ETFs Google sheet. And again, our Patreon members have 24/7 access to that Google sheet as well. So just a final note on that topic. A way to quickly see some uranium stock charts. What I do is I watch them in the industry. So if you go to the groups tab on FinViz, go to industry, and then here we can see it right near the top. But if you don't see it, you can do a quick find on uranium, Control F find. And then if you click on that topic, you'll see the charts for all the uranium stocks. So I know some people like CCJ. You see they're all, most of them are pretty high. We like DNN, traded DNN profitably numerous times over the years. LEU, I like LEU, in the 30s. UEC, again, pretty high right now. I think someone mentioned NXC. The ones we tend to like are DNN, UROY. I've been watching this to see if it comes back down. You see it bounce back up again, probably on that Russian ban news. and see it bounced up and then got rejected off that upper trend line. I was again watching this one down around 5. Um, One of the things I don't like about is I think they were losing money. I think they lost money in their last earnings. I guess they reported slightly positive, but you see their income is negative. So not as hip right now on as I would prefer. Like UROI is the one I'm watching. It looks like it's um, got the best value right now. Maybe LEU, DNN's running high. So again, a lot of people like CCJ had a nice run. Now again, just my commentary on the uranium category in general is, again, we saw it run up. It does run up. It's got a lot of focus now. People are starting to talk about it to fuel the data centers, the needs for energy for the data centers. So again, getting more focus, more positive sentiment, but there's a lot of regulatory. It takes a long time to build and regulate and implement the nuclear power. There's a few utilities. I think DUK has a couple nuclear power plants that are coming online. A lot of projects have been canceled, however, again, politically incorrect. They're expensive. Another thing, again, as I mentioned, became politically incorrect decades ago, and we essentially don't have many people that are trained to operate or even, again, do the research on nuclear power. Again, it was not a thing to go into. The only people that knew how to run reactors were in the Navy, and so there's a shortage of trained, skilled people in the whole nuclear energy area. So it's going to take a long time for this to really come to fruition. So again, that would be my concern with that new stock. Again, long-term hold if you want to put a little bit of money in, see if it works out. But again, there's a lot of technological hurdles. Also, another lesson learned is sometimes you can have the best technology, but if the management doesn't know how to make money, doesn't know how to sell it, the stock can do quite poorly and you can end up losing money. So it's not always about the technology. It's also about management, operation of the business. Do they know how to sell, etc.? So again, I hope this all helps. And thank you again, Gerald, for opening up that discussion. I do hope that all helps, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments to this video. Again, please reply to this discussion in our Discord if you have other ideas, other stocks. If you agree or disagree with my comments, that's fine. Let's have an intelligent conversation on topic of uranium, nuclear power, nuclear energy stocks. Again, if you have other stock ideas, I'd love to hear them. You can put them in the comments to this video or in this discussion in our Discord. So, and you can open up a similar discussion. So again, if you have a topic, a question, a stock you want us to cover during our live streams or in a separate video, etc., please put that in our Discord or in the comments to any of our videos. Also, we'd love your feedback on what we can do to improve our weekly trading game plans, any of our videos, our content, our automated systems, our communities. So again, we need your feedback, and we also need your help. We hope you'll smash the like button. Hope you'll subscribe to our channel. And really, we'd love it if you would share our content directly with your fellow traders and friends. Help us continue to build our community. The more traders we have in our community is for the mutual benefit of everyone. More trade ideas, more traders helping each other out is for everyone's mutual benefit. So we'd greatly appreciate it if you'd help us grow our community, help share our content, get our content out to more traders, particularly new traders, people that are working jobs. Again, we'd love to have you all join us in our community. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the links section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.